So if like me, you love seasoning mixes and you find them to be overpriced and you really are on a budget and you want to save money by making your own seasoning mixes and you don't know what ratio to use, I've got you. Today, I'm going to show you, in my humble opinion, the perfect spice mix in spice mix ratio. And what we're gonna make is SPG. So SPG stands for salt, pepper, garlic. What I love about SPG is that you can use it on veggies, you can use it on meat, you can use it on eggs, I even add it to my soups. The only thing you can use it on is yourself. And I really would not I wouldn't recommend that. And the ratio to make it is quite simple. So it's 4 parts salt, 2 parts pepper, and 2 parts garlic. So when it comes to salt, I recommend you use whatever salt you have. Personally, I love kosher salt. In this case, I ran out of kosher salt, so we'll be using sea salt. When it comes to pepper, I recommend black pepper, but you can use white pepper too. So for garlic, use garlic powder. Personally, I use garlic powder, but barbecue pros, they kind of swear by granulated garlic, which, if you have it, please feel free to use it. So think of SPG as a base layer. And the cool thing about this base layer is that you can add whatever seasonings that you like, like your favorite seasonings, like paprika, cumin, coriander, cinnamon. I use those because I'm East African. So just use whatever seasonings that you like. So here are some pro tips. Once you make your seasoning mix, I recommend that you label it so people can know what it is. Write SPG on there, also put the measurements on there. It'll be really helpful when you run out of SPG and you want to make another batch. And you won't be like, what was the ratio again? I hope you like this seasoning mix. I hope you try it. SPG is my go-to seasoning. I use it on veggies. I use it on brisket because my kids love brisket. I love this seasoning because it's cheap, it's quick to make, and it's super versatile. And it's way tastier than most store-bought seasonings. So I hope you liked this recipe. The link to this recipe will be in the description below.